Dubai, known for its glittering skyscrapers and luxurious lifestyle, has a darker side. The arrest of Dutch brothers and social media influencers Samuel and Ruben Onuha has cast a spotlight on the city's strict legal system. The brothers, known for their lavish online presence, were detained on drug-related charges. Details remain scarce, but the incident serves as a stark reminder that beneath the glamour, Dubai operates under a different set of rules. The Onuha brothers, founders of the fashion brand icon Amsterdam, amassed a considerable following showcasing their extravagant lifestyle. Their arrest sends shockwaves through the influencer community and beyond. It raises questions about the potential consequences of their actions in a legal system known for its severity. The brothers' case has garnered significant attention, partly due to their social media fame. Their arrest serves as a cautionary tale about the potential pitfalls of flaunting wealth and influence in a place like Dubai. The incident has also sparked debate about the intersection of social media, wealth, and legal accountability. It remains to be seen how the Onuha brothers' case will unfold, but their arrest serves as a stark reminder that no one is above the law in Dubai. Dubai's drug laws are among the strictest in the world. Possession of even minuscule amounts of illegal substances can lead to serious consequences. The penalties for drug trafficking are even more severe, including lengthy prison sentences and hefty fines. In some cases, drug offenses can even result in the death penalty. The United Arab Emirates, of which Dubai is a part, operates a zero-tolerance policy towards drugs. This approach is rooted in a desire to maintain a safe and orderly society. However, the strictness of the laws means that even minor offenses can have life-altering consequences. Travelers to Dubai are often unaware of the severity of the drug laws. What might be considered a minor offense in other countries can land you in serious trouble in Dubai. It is crucial for visitors to be aware of these laws and to ensure they are not in possession of any illegal substances, even prescription medications without proper documentation. The Onuha brothers' case highlights the importance of understanding and respecting the laws of the country you are visiting. Ignorance is no excuse in the eyes of the law in Dubai. The legal process in Dubai can be complex and daunting, especially for foreigners. The Onuha brothers face a legal system that operates under a different set of norms and procedures than they are accustomed to. Navigating this system will require skilled legal representation and a thorough understanding of the charges against them. One of the challenges for the Onuha brothers is the language barrier. While English is widely spoken in Dubai, legal proceedings are conducted in Arabic. This necessitates the use of translators, which can add another layer of complexity to the process. Another challenge is the potential for lengthy pre-trial detention. In Dubai, suspects can be held for extended periods without charge while the investigation is ongoing. This can be a harrowing experience, particularly for those unfamiliar with the local legal system. The Onuha brothers' case is likely to be closely watched by legal experts and human rights organizations. The outcome of their case could have implications for other foreigners facing legal challenges in Dubai. The fate of the Onuha brothers hangs in the balance as they await their fate in a Dubai jail. The charges against them remain unclear, but the potential consequences are severe. The brothers' best hope lies in securing strong legal representation and exploring all diplomatic channels. The outcome of the case will depend on a number of factors, including the nature of the charges, the evidence presented, and the skill of their legal team. The brothers' social media presence, which once brought them fame and fortune, could now be used against them. Diplomatic intervention could also play a role in the case. The Dutch government may be able to negotiate on behalf of the Onuha brothers, potentially seeking their release or a reduced sentence. The Onuha brothers' case serves as a stark reminder of the importance of respecting the laws of the country you are visiting. It also highlights the potential consequences of living a life of excess and flaunting wealth on social media. As the brothers await their fate, the world watches, waiting to see whether they will walk free or face the full force of Dubai's unforgiving legal system.